going through a car wash again. I did that last in Adelaide, and I thought I'd do it again because this car really needed a good wash. So, and I saved $2 because I got a senior's card, and there she goes. It's like really heavy rain. Whoa, look at that. Oh, pay attention. Gonna have a really good clean car. $10 it only cost me. Now what are we doing? Oh, we're coming back again, I think. I only got the mini wash. What are they doing? Oh, we're coming back. I'll come back round the other way. I can't, this way's better. Isn't it amazing? What the? I bet this is going to be very clean, really, because the car was absolutely filthy from when I went down to Port Arthur. I went on some bush roads. Well, the only road to go on. What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? We're going again, or doing a rinse. Heavy rain again. Heavy rain again. They're doing the rinse now, so rinse all that soap off, and so we're going to be nice and clean. Another rinse off. Oh, this is from New South Wales, that machine. Here we come. Is that it? It's going again there. What's going on? Don't know what's going on now. Is that it? Yep, that's it. Okay, gotta go.